Been there. Look, you got a big old leech. Look at all this crap. What are we doing, Monty? What are we doing? What are we doing? Look at that sled. Oh, wait. I don't know why it tipped over. It's not like it's top heavy. Hey. Stop it. Oh, wait up for Monty. What? Wait up for Monty. Monty! Monty, we gotta shed that winter weight. Come on, boy. Monty, you're doing great. You're a champion. Good job, big booty boy. Good job. Hey, how's it going? You guys just chilling?
Yeah, just eating some fruit snacks.
Nice.
I left in the snack bag, so I got all in it.
Yeah. You got all the snacks?
Yeah.
Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm out here with a whole gaggle of people. We got Aaron, Funk, we got Stosh, we got Monty and Ruger, and we're doing some ice fishing and hot tenting. The spot may look familiar. It's because me and Captain Teeny Trout were just here. We've come back to catch some more fish and have some fun. This trip is a little different, as you can see. Well, you've already seen from me running around. Stosh brought out a snowmobile. He's got up super early. He made it out here way before us. He packed on a trail and he's been kind of shuttling us back and forth with gear. And yeah, it's made the workload easier. And it's Aaron and Stosh's first time winter camping. So packing for 4 people was hectic in my mind. We got both my hot tents, my 2 new stoves. So we're gonna get to work here and set up. I always mention this when I make a video like this, when I'm out with a bunch of other people, I usually record a little bit less. And it's not that I don't, just want to record, it's just that I hang out with who's here. So I just like to mention that. But we're gonna get to shoveling and setting up. Get it, Roogs. Get it, Roogs. Come on, Roogs. Get it. You can do it, Roogs. Get it, Roogs. Come on, Roogs. Get it.
Ooh, so close. I don't feel like you actually.
No. Okay, Roogs. Sorry. I'm gonna kneel. I'm not hunching over. I know better. I've learned.
I don't have my,
Huh?
I don't have my snow pants on yet.
No.
No.
No snow pants?
No, I have them.
Oh, you got pigtails.
Like I've been shoveling since I stepped out of the truck.
Yeah, you have. Yeah, Funk dug out the car spot, pretty much. And Sasha and Aaron right now are working on firewood. We got the electric chainsaw that was sent to me by a subscriber. So it's kind of like we're snowmobile camping is what we're doing. I just pretty much, they've got their own like sleeping bags and stuff, but like all the hot tent and winter stuff is all, I've got all the gear, so I didn't have enough sleds. I just had dry bags for everyone. So we decided to just use dry bags, haul it in with the snowmobile. And yeah. And you might be noticing that I'm recording with GoPro right now. And the reason being is last time I was here, Captain Teeny Trout, my DSLR, well, let's just go over what it's been through. That's ice. I don't know if it's picking it up very well, but that's all just a layer of ice on my lens. You can see there's snow and wetness all over the camera. The mic is completely coated. Well, knocked over the DSLR accidentally, and well, that ripped off. Well, that's nice. Drop my DSLR right into the slushy water. Oh no. Oh geez. Oh no, it's full of water. Oh no, the microphone. Oh god, this could be bad. So the big question is the DSLR still alive? Of course it is, silly. Works just fine. It's invincible. I might just throw it in the slush this time just to prove a point. Oh no, Roogs. Yeah, I'm lazy shoveling right now.
I mean, not really. You're not.
It's definitely, it's like, easier on my back.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
Roogs, there's so many sticks here. So we're gonna try to. So basically, when I go hot tenting, I'm the one that usually puts the wood in the stove, and Stosh and Aaron are going to be sleeping in the other hot tent, my 9x9. So I want them to be close because I'm going to wake them up every time I wake up, or I'm going to put a rope under the tents and pull and just nudge them, let them know to put on more wood. But we might not even leave them going all night because it's actually going to be warm. It's just below freezing right now. And it's actually supposed to be a little above freezing tomorrow. Oh, Roogs. Jeez, Roogs. What are you doing? So the 10x10 tent is a square, and the 9x9 is octagonal or pentagonal. So, since these tents take up so much more room than you think once you're actually setting them up, we kind of dug back here. They're going to be on a little uneven ground, but we're going to try later to pack all 4 of us and the 2 dogs in the 10x10 for hangout time. So we need max amount of flat open space. So they're just going to sleep in this tent. We'll try setting it up here. Let's just see what happens.
don't you need a stick for them?
Huh?
A stick?
Yeah, we will. I'm gonna just do the ground first. They're just gonna be tucked away in the corner. Oh man. Oh, this rat's nest is like 3 years old. Oh jeez. That's what I used to make the worst rat's nest. There may not be hope for this one. Well, there's always hope with the rat's nest. Oh man. This tent's so much smaller than I remember. Are you sunbathing out there? It looks comfy actually. I laid out a bunch of sleeping pads for Monty, and Funk's just laying on and baking in the sun. Like I said, it's pretty warm today. It's right near freezing, so we can bust out the t-shirts and shorts, maybe even get a tan. I'm actually sweating with my gear on. I just don't feel like taking it off for some reason, you know? Actually, I do feel like taking it off now that I'm speaking about it. Let's just see how much room we got. Oh, the boys are going to be... Aaron and Stosh got a bunch of firewood. Bunch of delicious firewood. Good job, guys.
No, it's fine. No, it's fine, Posa. It's fine.
I didn't make you to cut right next to the sled.
This one was attached to the tree.
Yeah.
Super cool.
They grew out, the nuts grew out. I meant for you to saw right here, just so that you didn't have to. My bad. Monty, are you tired after doing a marathon today? Okay. Nice job. Go get him, Monty.
See the sunbow?
The what?
The sunbow?
The sunbow?
A rainbow from the sun. Rick's got one layer of smart wool.
Oh yeah, I see it.
So chilly and it's not
Oh yeah. Hey. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at it.
Look at that. It's pretty neat.
Back to charge.
Back to charge. It blows my mind how much smaller that tent is for only being 1 foot difference.
Need battery.
Rock, Chris.
We're a good one. That was pretty good.
Did you get battery?
Huh?
Did you get battery?
Hi, Monty. Hello, sir.
Matthew, where's the battery?
Huh? What?
I need a battery.
Oh, jeez.
Fine.
Did you hear that?
Fine. Get it. Is it an animal nearby? Is that wildlife?
Barking spiders. Erin's doing the taut line hitch
Nice.
with a quick release. We'll see how she does. All right, let me cut yours, and Stash, I can teach you next.
Oh, I'm good.
What?
You don't need to teach me.
No. Stash, you don't want to learn a knot? You already know it.
Stuck on your elbow, Aaron.
On this episode of Indiana Jones and the Hot Tent Ropes of Doom, we've got, see, they're crossing, so you gotta kind of go under this one, and then you watch out for, see, and if you want to get through here, you gotta kind of, you go over this one, and then right here, this is a real tricky part. You go over this one, back under through here, and then we're gonna go. Okay, so we got this one, hi Rooks, and then, well, see, it's kind of a mess, but it is what it is. Good job, everybody.
There's definitely more room in here,
The way
though.
it is because of the way that it is.
Yeah. Is there more room, Stash?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me see how adorable this thing is. I mean, oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's cozy in here.
Plenty of room.
Look at that. Nice. All right. Everyone's stacking wood. We got the stove set up. Funk's in there blowing up sleeping pads for Monty. We're gonna get a fire going in ours and letting the hot tenting commence. It's you can just look at how chaotic it looks with all the ropes. There are, let's see, 16 ropes in all manner of directions. Just it's kind of chaotic. Are you ready for the Monty?
Yeah.
All right, Monty. Go ahead, Monty. Go ahead, Monty. Go ahead, Monty. Come on. He has been very pushy about his comfy space. We've got it. Funk blew him up the dull pads. Go ahead, Monty.
Go ahead, Monty.
Go lay down.
Yeah, I feel like you need blood.
Good job, Monty. Good boy. There you go. Oh, this fire's still seen better days. just, it's so small now.
What are we cooking chili in?
The big, ugly one.
Biggest?
Yeah.
So don't fill that with water?
I mean, you can, yeah, fill it with water. Go for it, you know? And then we'll have just water hanging out. Oh, yeah, blow up the sleeping pad first.
I did that.
Oh, okay, then yeah.
What I'm asking is, do we put our sleeping... Oh, never mind.
The fire went out. Oh no. Oh, I saved it. Funk! Hey, Funk! Oh no. Any more birch bark? Dang it. Any more birch bark? Oh, you guys really went out there. Hey, I like it. Okay. We're good.
Where are we gonna ball this sweater?
For now, go ahead and set her up on here. Just on top of the stove. Yep, that'll work. Just throw her on top. Nice job. Agua in all its glory. Alright. I think that fire is going to last, sir, so let the hot tenting commence. Look at that pretty little thing.
He's got good color too.
Oh yeah.
Really good color.
He literally just was setting up the poles. We're just like, oh, let's try one. Immediately catches a fish.
Back to your home, little buddy. Go ahead. Go ahead.
See you later, little guy.
Go ahead. There you go.
I'll figure it out. Nice job, first fish. Wow, great.
That was a good
Good for you,
too.
Stosh. I just set my pole.
And you can jig too.
Something's taking a bite. It was just moving. Oh, there it is. Slow bite. Okay. Ah, dang it.
So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna have to
Yeah.
you're gonna need to set the hook, okay?
He was just nibbling. I ripped it right out of his mouth. There we go. There we go. All right. Ooh. Get back in your hole. There you go. Simmer down. All right. Nice, beautiful little rainbow trout. We're going to have our fish dinner tomorrow, so we're going to let this guy go.
Yeah, wow, he's got great color.
Yeah, he's pretty. All right, buddy. Have a good one. See you later. Thanks for the cold hands. Oh, all right.
Hey, Brain.
Aaron just caught a fish. Oh, so we're all just out here Funk almost caught a fish too, so we almost already all caught a fish. We're all out in the lake. Ruger's out here all hanging out, except for one member of the group. One of the members of the group, believe it or not, is sitting in the warm, comfy space on the sleeping bag or pad, passed out. Monty, would you like to join the rest of us out here? Or are you kind of just cozy? Oh, sorry, you're out of focus, Monty. It's like, you know, I'm actually good right now. I got my comfy spot, and I'm warm, and I'm outdoors, and I had some treats earlier, and I'm good. So, I'll be here when you guys want to come hang out, okay? I'm just keeping it warm. Good job, Monty. Thanks. It is evening time. The light is, we're gonna hang out all in this hot tent. We have everything packed away. Ruger is just not accepting that it's nighttime though.
He won't stop.
He will not stop. I think he knows that he's got to just absorb the last hope of stick throwing. It's been non-stop. Ruger. Do not pee in the hot tent.
I'll pee in the chili.
No. I mean, it might be a unique flavor, but I do not
Well,
want
it'd
to
definitely be unique
I mean,
flavor.
has anyone ever tried urine? We know
Urine
for
chili,
a fact
no.
it doesn't taste good.
Ruger. Oh. Sash, do it slower, please. Slower. Faster, faster. Slower, faster.
Those are
No one knows.
Matthew Posa's feet. For the record, those are Matthew Posa's feet.
I hate feet.
Here.
Oh yeah. We're gonna have some coming. You want
Snowshoes
chili
for the
powder?
first time out here. What about the beans? Oh yeah, the beans, Posa.
Yeah, we need beans.
We got some, what are those, kidney beans? Yeah. Get them all in. Just
It'll like stick to your
Sash, please.
Can you shut the tent now?
Little black pepper.
Oh my God, Posa. You put half the bottle in there.
Well, I like black pepper. And then we need a little salt, not too much salt, not too little salt, just the right amount of salt. A little bit more. That's good.
This is all good.
I get it.
Oh, that's hot.
I don't know what's smaller, his eyes or his teeth.
Oh my God, it's burning. Oh, how dare you. Chili is fantastic.
What did I do?
Funk pre-made breakfast burritos, wrapped them in tinfoil, so we're heating them up and they're gonna be delicious. I've been voted ugliest this morning.
That we know for sure. That is confirmed.
You got a nice hairdo going on too.
Not bad.
This spot's particularly interesting.
Mine's still.
Oh yeah, look at that. I'm gonna put a little chili on the side. Take a little scoop ski of that. There we go. I might even put it on it.
That's been rolling for almost a minute. All right.
You're good then.
Is that where you're just fluffing? Yeah.
Oh geez.
Making it so that you can't.
Have you guys seen the? I don't know who they are. I think they just have like a podcast or something. But it's these two guys
Woody's.
who are like
Ah!
hot.
Ah!
Do not spit that out.
Anyways, keep going. Sorry.
They just have a podcast and they put lots of clips on TikTok. And the one guy was like,
Man, I look good. Oh, I made it worse.
there's no helping you, Posa.
I know.
Put your hat on. Call it a day.
We got some salsa and sour cream on here.
Or someone who just has a bad
Resolution?
hair day. Or someone just wants to wear a hat that day.
I
Or
don't look good in hats, so it doesn't work for me.
they're bisexual.
What's this brown
Dog food.
stuff in the burrito?
Sausage.
Honestly, it's the eggs because it got cooked with the beans and stuff.
Oh, okay. I was like, I don't remember her cooking sausage.
No. The whole time I was
There
cooking
isn't
it,
sausage in here?
it's
No.
bacon.
Like, that's sausage.
No, it's just like the eggs just look brown because I cooked it with the black beans.
Oh, that is egg.
Like, I didn't cook the eggs separate. I cooked them
I feel like,
just like with all
I
the
feel like
vegetables.
eggs aren't supposed to be brown. This is rotten.
You're rotten.
Alright, let's catch a fish. We need some fish for dinner. It's time to get the bells ringing. Stash, why haven't you caught a fish yet? Huh? That was in the water. So for catching these, all we're doing is wax worms. A couple on a hook with a sinker. That's it. Working just fine. Stash, you're getting a fish. You're getting a fish. Let's go! We got a fish! Watch out, Rose. There we go. That's one for dinner.
How many do we need?
Like 6 or 7 or 8. Probably 8. We're gonna give the dogs some too. Right there. I don't know if we should put dinner fish in there.
Why?
They might be able to slip down the hole. Yeah, just put it in there. It'll be fine. We've created a live well for our fishies. We drilled a hole all the way through and then we put a bunch of shallow ones and then we're gonna block off the hole. So, I was grabbing Sasha's fish to put in the live well and I dropped it right into this hole, which is the slush, and it went straight through and he escaped. My bad. It was a nice dinner fish. Well, that's what you get, Stash. For what? I don't know. Using snowshoes as rod holders. We got some over there. We got some over here. We just got rod holders going. Aaron just got a fish. We got one. I lost Stash's, so we need to do some work for dinner. We're gonna need like 8 fish. The bouncy bunny. He's attacking you. Nice throw.
Yeah.
Let me see that. Ooh, watch out, Roos. Look at that beauty. Oh yeah, that's a good eater right there. Oh, when you face the wind, it's a little chilly. I can't believe it's raining. It's an ice storm. Why are you not catching any more fish?
Got distracted.
I'm at Posa. Where there's ice, there's water. Where there's water, there's fish. Where there's fish, you'll catch them. But not today, I guess. Alright. Oh, Ruben. Yo, what's that going on? Nice. Biggest fish of the trip so far. Look at the colors on that thing. Beautiful. Let's eat it. Oh, you kissed it? It is raining.
Yeah. It's raining, man.
It's raining.
I'm gonna do it.
All these fishing rods and not a single fish to bite them.
Except for the 3 and the 1 you lost.
I didn't lose it.
We almost had enough fish for everyone to have one, except for somebody let it go.
I didn't do it on purpose.
You're just like, beep, right
Let's
in the
just put it in the
hole.
live well when it's not even ready.
Did you move him over there? Oh.
This is our tent creature. He just stays here, keeps us safe.
You got a bite over there?
What am I doing? Huh? What am I gonna do? It's comfy. It's warm. We're going out with his skidoo that's covered in ice now, and we're gonna go get some more firewood. You know? Got a nice delicious piece of firewood I'm working on right here. What? You're stuck? Oh, that does look a little stuck. Oh man. Well,
All we need to do.
holy crap.
That's fine.
I should just take these off. Whatever. 1, 2, 3. Oh, all right. Snowshoe shovels. Putting in the work. Oh, you're down to the ground here. Okay. Let's get this back end.
Does that help at all?
Didn't really move.
Go this way.
Holy crap.
Take your finger right there.
Look at that monster. Funk and Air just caught this beast. Look at that thing.
Other way. Aaron.
Look at that thing.
What do you
There
mean?
you go. There you go. Oh yeah, that's enough fish for all of us. Nice job, ladies. Bring it here, Roof. Auntie, come on. Come on. Bring it here. Bring it here, you little whippersnap. Come on, Auntie. Get up, Auntie. So yeah, it's been a pretty wet, rainy day. We just had a little break and it's starting again. I didn't think it would be quite this wet and rainy, and it's actually a lot warmer than I thought. So it's pretty wet. Yeah. So I'm just throwing the stick for the dogs here. We're gonna get back inside. We're gonna be putting these fishing poles away. We're not really having much luck. So we got enough fish for dinner. So we're just gonna snack up and hang out. It's been kind of, I'm gonna have to put this away, the DSLR, because it's starting to rain again, but it's been pretty, it's been hard to record any of the fishing because by the time we get one, everyone was kind of standing around before, and they just pull out of the water, so I really didn't record much of it. Hi, Mike. Look at it, Ruth. Look at it. Get it, Monty. Ruth. Ruth, you little thief. Oh, Ruth. Look at your eyes, Ruth. Ruth. Rugus. Ruth. Is this a flattering angle? I hope so.
You pull the lines?
Yeah, we pull all the fishing lines. Monty and Ruger are in here chilling. We're in here chilling. Monty and Ruger are laying down. We're gonna take a quick nap. We pulled all the fishing lines. Just a little sleepy. It's been wet and raining. It's kind of not raining now, but we're all kind of just like tired. You know, sometimes it happens. My hair's not, it's not too shabby, but yeah, we're just gonna kind of lay around for a minute here. Maybe not sleep, but just, you know, relax. Sometimes you gotta relax, okay? That's what we're doing, okay? The sun is set, and I gotta flay the fish.
Posa can't set a line.
What? You can't set a line.
Let's go.
All right. Rugus, listen. I know you win the award for the cutest dog and the most persistent dog, but it's time to go to bed inside. We're gonna go hang out. We gotta make dinner, Roogs. You're gonna get a treat. You want a treat? You want a treat? Or you just want the stick? All right, one more. One more for good measure, okay? Okay, pal. But we gotta be careful, there's a lot of holes. Wait, Roogs, ready? Did you hear that? The nutless nutcase. Come on, Roogs. Come on, Roogs. Good boy, Roogs. Come on, Roogs. Oh, Roogie. Come on, Roogs. In you go there, pal. All right, let the Roogs in. Stash. Stash.
What?
I need to come inside.
Who?
Me and the dog.
Aaron was like, you have to close the door right now or I'll kill you.
Really?
That's what she said.
Aaron, did you say that?
I did verbatim.
Oh.
She's a pro. This is what a professional
Wow,
chef looks
I
like.
didn't know you could peel ginger like that. It's so much better than the way I do it.
How's she doing it?
She's just taking a spoon and just like scraping it off.
Try that, but then you forget.
Believe it or not, but Funk's right there. You can see her forehead.
Actually, it's not guacamole.
You're not making.
Mole.
It's salsa mole.
All right, are we hashtag team guacalsa or hashtag team salsa mole?
Salsa mole.
Salsa mole.
I'm gonna stick with guacalsa.
You are 4 against 1.
4?
Lucas also voted salsa mole.
No.
It's
I'll
already
let the
confirmed on
people
camera.
decide in the comments.
Yeah, there we go. I want to know.
Stash, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much you enjoying cutting up that ginger?
At least a 12.
I just like how much effort is being put into just the ginger. Step 1 of dinner is taking like 25 minutes. Stash, please be careful and don't cut your fingers.
Have you tried it yet?
I have 2 that have been in my fridge for a couple weeks. and
He
I'm gonna
loves
cut them all
it.
tonight home.
Monty is preciously resting on the Roogs because he is uncomfy. This is the worst.
So nasty. Don't lick my hands though. I'll let you lick my forehead.
That is a sharp knife. Be careful, please. Juice it. Are you cilantro baying it? What have you done? What is going-
Oh god, this knife is super strong.
Nice. The dog's Monty's mangled mush. She's got rainbow trout going in.
I'm gonna move over more.
All right, we got our our rice is in with the water. We're gonna get that going. We've got our delicious fishy fish. Let's just Montreal steak seasoning.
What?
Fish is going on. That's a good amount of fish. You guys ready to eat fish? Is there enough Montreal in there?
These are tula.
Yes. All right. We're just gonna go ahead and just, cook it, and then it'll be done. Gonna put in some asparagus. We're telling stories.
Campfire songs.
Campfire songs.
All PG.
Yeah.
This one?
The fish is almost done.
This one right here? This what you want?
No.
No.
Nothing else is.
The rice is done. The asparagus is not. You know what? We're gonna. Ah!
I just don't. I'm just so curious. Like, what do you think was gonna happen?
Just for research purposes.
Like,
Whoa.
All the bones.
That's awesome.
Perfect. All right. The fish is not gonna look like fish while we're eating it, but.
It'll taste like fish, which you don't want to.
What?
it's hot, Daddy. Oh, it's so hot, actually.
It is hot. All right, we got 2 bones out. Oh my gosh, that looks so good, guys. You can leave all that fish in mine if you want.
Hello.
If you tip it too far, it's gonna just, it'll hook towards you. It's the worst.
So
Put it right on my fish. Oh my gosh.
This is the meal. I made a lot of salsa mullet.
Yeah.
There we go.
Stash, I just want to say you did a great job, okay?
Thank you. I appreciate your praise. It means the world to me.
I know you're being sarcastic right
No, I'm
now.
not. I mean it. I seriously do. Everything. My world revolves around making sure that I get your praise.
See, I feel like you're being more sarcastic
No,
now.
I'm not. I would never do that.
This is not that much food.
I disagree. It's a lot of food. Did you feed the dogs?
Not yet.
No, it's super hot.
Ruger, you can have the rest of mine.
Good, thank you.
It's not bad.
Pretty good.
Well, we devoured dinner and we're laying down getting ready for bed. It is raining. And as soon as I made my bed and got in it cozy, Ruger's got this weird like obsession where he just wants to like crawl up and lay on whatever you're sleeping on, like when we're camping. And now I've got a Rugs that just crawled up in between my legs and he's passed out. He's twitching right now because he twitches when he sleeps. But he is just... He decided that in between my legs was where he wanted to just curl up. It's pretty precious, Rugs, but I kind of, it's like one of those things where like, you don't want to move him because it's precious, but I also want to lay on my side and pass out, so I don't know what to do. I'll give him another like 5-10 minutes before I actually go to bed, but anyways, we're gonna go to bed now. Mr. Mont Stinky is over near Funk, passed out. So I will catch you guys in the morning. Good night, everybody. Rugs. Get back. Jeez. Hi, you crazy critter. Well, it's morning time. It rained most of the night. It's time to pack up. So let's do it. All right, Monty. Good morning. Good morning, Rugs. Everyone's packing up. Hey, Rugus. Oh, not yet, Rugus. We got stuff to do. Well, all our bags are packed up and everything. So I'm just gonna load up this bulky sled. Stosh is already ferrying people back. We got just me and Funk left, few bags. And that's a wrap on this one. So, I mean, they had fun on their first trip. Yes, I didn't notice you wanted to play with the stick. But it was a little sloppy, a little wet, rained all night. But we ate delicious and we had some fun. So as always, guys, if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more stuff like this, hit the subscribe button. And I will catch you guys in the next video. He got me. Good boys. I said good boys. Monty's just like, Dad, I have just done a triathlon and I would really like a cheeseburger. Please? One split between me and Riggs would be just fine, okay? Alright, deal. Alright, boys. Here you go. Oh, there you go. Good boys. Thank you, sir. May I have another?
Let him chew.
Oh, yeah.
Swallow it.
There you go, Monty. Good boys.